Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my previous video of the delivery of the Bugatti Bolide at the dealer, go check it out.
That thing is crazy,
Today's
bro.
a special day because it's actually the Bolide is coming home. And there
Delivery
it is.
day.
How are you? Good to see you again. Very nice. Not only are we getting the car, we're getting some goodies with the car. We're gonna put the slick tires on and roll the baby in the garage. The Bolide, I'm told you can only turn it on for a minute or two before it overheats, just like a Formula 1 car. You gotta put fans on it.
That's a real race car.
We won't be doing a joyride today, but we're probably gonna have to push it. A lot of pushing.
It's crazy, bro. That's a race car, a track car, bro. That thing is nasty, bro. Yo, look at that wing.
The real wheels.
Well, you can show.
What you got here, man?
Well, oxygen tank in case I pass out.
Okay, yeah.
And then wheels in there.
You know it's real with the oxygen, bro.
Andy, I'll put this in on your desk because this is the book.
Nice. I think it was a box of pistachios. Ooh.
Good pistachios, man. Ooh, he boy got them
You
slicks.
can't roll around with those
The
unless you're on a
Michelin way.
So they're so sticky and they pick up so much, they're really susceptible to punctures. And the car sits a lot lower as well. So for transporting on and off trucks, pushing around the parking lot where you got little drainage ditches and stuff, the car becomes too low to have these. So this is why
Definitely not a street car, bro.
Until they're sitting on display. Yeah, there's nothing to them. There's nothing to them.
Yeah.
They light too, huh?
Oh, this is $2.
Owner's manual, center lock to take the wheels on and off, trickle charger, and your like the sheet that just basically documents the engine number and stuff is in there, and the car cover.
Well, it looks so much nicer when it's detailed.
You gotta spin a bag to get the Bolide, bro.
The screen of the radiators.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
You almost gave me a heart attack there.
Ooh, wait, look how skinny the wheels is, the original wheels.
I remember your old garage when you were taking cars off the spinner.
Oh yeah, the Carrera GT, remember? All I know, tomorrow, I'm gonna need both hubs. Right here.
That thing is mean, bro. That's the real Batmobile right there, y'all. W16.4 on the wing is insane.
Oh, Nick, I don't think I'm gonna be going home tonight.
I wouldn't.
Hypercar, bro.
Alright, let me order 2 air mattress for us.
So once he's moved the truck, then maybe you can drive and we'll push. It'll be your first drive.
Yes!
It'll be like under 4 horsepower.
Definitely not the full, you know what I mean?
Power?
No.
Oh, it's all manual.
It's just manual.
Yeah.
They're extremely light, as you can feel.
Yeah.
So if you just try and rest them down, it won't latch. So you kind of have to hold it like about this far away, and then just drop it down.
Man, he done slammed it though.
There's a door latch right behind the window.
Oh yeah.
Squeeze that. Pull it up.
Okay, you don't think it's gonna overheat?
The doors remind me of the, what is it?
Pushing it.
Oh, come
Is
on!
it the McLaren? Which one is it? I don't know if it's the Senna
Alright.
or the P1. I think it might be the
Don't get
Senna though.
excited.
So if you want to explain to them why exactly we're not turning it on.
This car is a race car. Basically, just like Formula 1 car, the minute it turns on, you gotta take off because there is no fans to cool off the engine. So
Crazy, bro.
within 2 minutes, it will overheat, and you don't want to damage the engine. So we're gonna be doing a lot of pushing, and it's gonna be very quiet. So enjoy the show. Such a small steering wheel.
Spent too much money to blow that motor already.
Almost like a game console.
Okay,
I know, that's so
I like
cool.
the steering wheel. Remind me of the plaid steering wheel. Or what's that other AMG race car? They got a similar steering wheel.
Careful. All right, I'm done.
Okay, right there.
Oh.
Where is the reverse button?
That thing is so low, bro.
Come on, muscles.
Man, they're putting me to work here.
Work. So P.
Oh, you're gonna do the wheels now.
Yep. So anytime you want to turn the car off, even if you do what I tell you not to do, which is just turn the engine on.
Yeah.
When you turn the engine off, it's ignition off first, so that's how you would disable everything. And then let it sit for a minute, and then you'll go master power off.
Look at that dash, bro.
So you have a pneumatic air system that throws jacks underneath the car, so it'll raise the car up.
That's hard.
And then from there, we'll take the wheels and tires off, put the new ones on.
So just like the
Just like the track.
Whoa. There we go.
Oh yeah, that ain't nothing to play with.
Come on, you need 4 people.
Sheesh, look how big that wheel
You
is.
didn't pay
4
enough.
people, boom, 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 boom.
didn't
I gotta
pay-
go.
No, you didn't pay enough.
What were you saying, Nick?
Oh, I hadn't lifted these out of the box yet, so I didn't see that they had the logos down in the box showing which
Oh,
quarter
that's
they went
cool.
to.
That's hard.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. So I was just asking Bill, I said, are you sure you did the right one? And he said, yeah, there's a picture of it.
I mean, he know how to see. They got the Michelin Man on the Bolide, bro.
Well, I got my fireworks for 4th of July.
What do you want to do? You want to fire it up?
Yeah.
And then once it's inside, we can go
Let's
through all
hear
the
it.
buttons and switches and everything?
Yep.
Okay.
So first,
No, first is master.
master.
Yep, so master on, let it boot.
Gotta wait.
It's like a
Okay.
computer,
So
bro.
ignition on. Okay. Let all the pumps and stuff run. Brake.
Ooh-wee. That thing sound nasty, bro. Look at the lights in the back. It remind me of that, what is it, the Devil 16? It do remind me of that, bro. That's crazy, bro. Sheesh. Look at that scoop on the hood, bro. On the roof, I mean. Yo. Manny got an insane garage, bro. His car collection is crazy, bro. I gotta react to his car collection. Ooh. I like the decals and the stickers on it, bro. Perfect touch. That blue is nice.
Very.
So in that short amount of time, it basically got to temp?
Yes,
Wow.
that was it. So that's why the cooling fans are really important, because the car doesn't have fans on it.
What'd you say about the fans? 10 seconds or something like that after the track?
Yeah, so when you come into the pits, within 10 seconds of shutting the engine off, then you want to make sure that you got the fans on the car. So there's fans that fit on the top on each side, and then you're running fans on the high temp radiators over here, and the LTRs up front up here.
Okay, show me how the trickle charger works now. It's
crazy, bro.
Overnight, I shouldn't be connecting it. It's only
That is not
40
nothing to
Well,
play
you
with.
just want to you want to see once it gets to a full charge, then you take it off. You probably only need to check it, I don't know, maybe once every 3 or 4 weeks. There is a plug that's right here next to your seat. See the big plug? See, unscrew that.
Okay, look, like you got the blue seat
So the
belts.
big one is for your
That's
trickle
hard.
charger, and then the small one is going to be for your data, for your your computer. So it only goes on one way, and as you find where the pins lock in, then you start spinning the lock ring, and it'll go all the way down.
Got it.
It's really tight with your fingers, so you just have to be careful on that. The other thing you want to be careful with is this cable.
I'm telling you, y'all,
There's
these
not
newer
much
cars,
tolerance here.
they gotta be on the charger,
slam
bro.
the door on it, because you can damage the cable. This here goes to this. Disconnect it.
Disconnect.
Yeah, because you don't want it to stay on, because it's not going to maintain the battery. It's just charging the battery.
All right, what else you got in the goodie bag? Car
Anyways,
cover,
Yeah. So
wheel lock.
wheel lock. You just need a big, huge 1-inch gun to work that. Owner's
Manual.
manual. Read this,
Okay.
front to back.
Yep, that's my Bible. I'm
There's
gonna take it home
a
tonight.
ton of information.
Can't make
in
no
here.
mistakes.
It's really important to read this. Your tires are in here.
Thank you very much.
That's it. You don't want to go over buttons.
Of
You
course
want
I do. Just pulling your leg.
Gotta show them. You gotta show them how to, you know what I mean?
So if you decide to put
Work
fuel
that
in the
new-new.
car, you need a fuel churn, like a racing fuel churn. You can't just take it and put it in. So you'll need like a race canister.
Yeah.
Goes on the passenger side. It's spring loaded. Goes in. I wouldn't fill it all the way to the top. You just fill it as needed. So if you knew that you were only going to run 10 laps, you normally just running enough fuel for what you're running. You don't want to overfill it. 102 is what you need to run. Don't run anything less than 102. Make sure.
And buy it at the gas station.
Especially on the track.
Man, you'd have lost
On the
me once
track,
you
it has
went
to.
past 93. 102.
All right.
Ain't nothing regular.
Without you, so.
All the buttons on the steering wheel.
Yep.
There's a bunch of them. So when your car gets wired up with radio, this is how you would talk to the pit wall. You have ABS
That's
controls.
hard.
These toggle switches are going to go
got the
through
logo
all your different
with
menus
carbon
depending on
fiber.
what display you're in. This is acknowledging things. So if you have a certain screen you want to accept a change, you'd hit acknowledge. You can mark things on the track, flashers on the track. You have pit limiter,
Launch control.
launch control, traction control. And this also changes screens on the right side. This is changing screens on the left side. Both back for neutral.
Yep.
Once you're in neutral,
Alcantara
left paddle
grips.
down goes into reverse, goes into neutral, right paddle goes into first.
Obviously, a stop is for
The
emergency.
controller literally looks
It
like
disconnects
a
the
joystick,
power.
bro.
But if you use that, it interrupts what's communicating with the ECU. So only use that in the case of emergency. And then the fire suppression system foams everything out. You also have the power disconnect and the fire suppression systems in here as well. So you have a button and this. Don't pull this. Don't, some people grab it, you know, and they say, hey, what's this? And they pull it. Don't do that. So that's also
a weird
external.
spot for it
So
to
in
be.
the event of an accident or something on a racetrack, trackside support can kill the power and hit fire suppression from the outside of the car if they want to. There's also a quick disconnect for emergency personnel to take the doors off the car, which you can do using these pins on the door and up on the roof panel. I don't know if you looked at this when it was at the dealership the other day when you were there. So this is a book with your car.
No way, is the Belf book?
This tells the Bolide story.
Oh, okay.
And actually there's a really cool
The
picture in
Bolide.
here. There it is.
Ooh, there's every spec. So every single one's different.
Crazy, bro.
Yeah,
They got
there's a
some
couple
crazy
that are
colors.
similar. I guess this one could have been yours too. This one looks more gray. I bet this one's yours.
Yeah. Oh, somebody did a Rembrandt, huh?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, we should have done that.
That's
Oh my
hard,
god,
bro.
that would have been cool. Alright, I got my homework cut out for me for a month.
First the owner's manual,
First the owner's manual.
then the pretty manual.
Yes. Well, first I gotta wait around for the charger.
Gotta get
Before
to
I
the
go
serious
home.
stuff first.
Alright guys, well that will do it. I am super overwhelmed.
That
And then
thing
this
is
car
mean,
comes
bro.
with so much instructions and it's so fragile, but it's finally here and I can't get over the looks of it. Look at this. Incredible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. More videos to come on the Bolide. Be safe, be well, and see you guys on the next one.
That's hard, bro. What y'all think of that new Bugatti Bolide, bro?